Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, Assistant Professor of English at Government Degree College, Avelia. In this short video, I'll talk about faculty course review form. This form has been, customized by me. Actual form given in Quality Assurance Manual is a bit detailed one and mostly comprises qualitative data. So this form has been simplified. Sorry. I'm going to present this form to the core committee that is working on, what should I say? They are trying to innovate different performers. So definitely, if they approve it, this can be utilized by program team members or focal person or HODs. Now, as you can see, this form comprises 2 pages. Okay, it is a filled up form. Filled up form means that I have provided my own information in order to guide PTMs who are new that how to fill it. So as you can see here, you have to mention the name of the department and then faculty, whether science faculty or humanities, course code BS English 365, course title psycholinguistics. This form will be provided to the to the teachers with these blanks. Okay, so this is a filled up form. And credit hours, that is 3. Level of the course, that is undergraduate. This course is being taught to undergraduate students. It is not part of associate degree, so only undergraduate. I have just checked it. Spring 2021. Okay, and then name of the teacher, number of contact hours 48. So usually in a theory course, the contact hours and the credit hours actually they are the same. Actually this course is of 3 credit hours. Okay, it means that 3 classes per week. As we have 16 weeks, so our contact hours in theory course become 48. If you are having a practical course, then definitely 3 contact hours will constitute 1 credit hour. Anyhow, so for this course I have delivered 48 lectures and there were no practicals involved. Seminars I did hold, but these seminars were put into the slot of sessional works. So as far as main course contents are concerned, they were covered through lectures, which were definitely face-to-face lectures, online lectures and webinars, etc. So now assessment methods. For this course, assessment method was like this, that sessional work weight was 20% and midterm was 30% and final term was 50%. As far as detail of sessional works is concerned, so it was 6% was given to assignment and presentation. Test and quiz, they were given 8%, and seminar or viva, they were given 6%. Let me show you the sessional work detail. As you can see here, sessional work record, quiz 1 70 marks and this student got 39, so weight was 2%, and quiz 2 60%, it was MCQ based test. This student got 34 marks, so its weight was 2%. So this way I just broke up 20% marks into number of quizzes, assignments, presentation, etc. So at the end, let me show you another sheet. Okay, just a minute. So here is the summary of result. As you can see here, that seminar and presentation, finally they were given 6% weightage, and assignment and viva they were given 4% weightage, and quiz and test they were given 10% weightage. So this has been kept at the discretion of the teacher. So teacher can change the weight. Like I prefer giving quizzes to students because they are based on MCQs and they according to my perception, they measure real achievement on the part of students. So this weightage is given. I give them many at least 4 quizzes and 2 tests. So now sessional total, this is 20, and this is the score obtained by this student. And So midterm, midterm 30% and terminal exam 50%, total is 100. So these are the scores obtained by students. So there are 23 students. Okay, so this is the summary of award list. And when we go back, as you can see, I have just explained. So here is the detail: seminar presentation weight 6%, assignment and viva weight 4%. So this sheet is has got formulas, as you can see. So every BS teacher should learn Excel sheet with formulas. So this is a very good way to maintain assessment of BS students. Now let me take you back to the faculty course. So after filling this first part of the form, now come here. So undergraduate students originally registered, that is 23 students were registered in 6th semester, and out of these 23 students, 8 students got A grade, that is 80 plus marks, 4 students got 70 or 70 plus marks, 8 students got C grade, that is 60% marks, and 3 students got D grade, that is 50% marks. So no student was given E or F. So total were 23 students. Associate degree. So in our college we don't have associate degree, so I have kept it blank. So I have amended this form here. In the original form it was written undergraduate and postgraduate or graduate. So this is a new form. So I have customized this form according to my own needs. Second part. So as you can see, scale strongly agree and highly satisfied 5, 4, etc. Now teacher will read the questions and select the appropriate column. Students course evaluation process for my course was appropriate. Here teacher will give his or her opinion whether the course evaluation conducted by PTM or focal person or HOD for his course was good, appropriate, whether it was free from bias, etc. So you can select one option. I agree. Okay, I agree with this. My department has a student staff consultative committee to discuss the suitability, manageability, etc. of the course. In my department, we do not have such a committee. I will propose, because teachers and students should have a consultative body in which course should be discussed at least at the end of the semester, and students' opinion should be taken. Okay. Course contents do not match with course objectives as stated in the scheme of studies. So I agree. I do not match. So actually it should have been, let me, just a minute, no color. So do not match, so they match. So I disagree with this statement. Okay, I strongly disagree with this statement. So I strongly disagree. Actually the course contents match. Course contents do not comply with HEC approved revised national curriculum guidelines, but they comply. So I disagree with this statement. So I do not agree. So it was highlighted erroneously. So I disagree with this statement. Okay. Then sessional work assessment methods, etc. they are effective and appropriate. I strongly agree. Time duration of mid and final term exams is adequate. No, it is not adequate. So I disagree with this statement. It should be increased. For format and point values of different questions on mid and final term exams are adequate in measuring students' learning. I agree. Changes proposed in earlier course review report, no, they have not been incorporated. The university did not change the course the way it was suggested. Course is lengthy and cannot be taught during semester duration. I agree. Course contents need major revision in order to turn it market oriented. No, it does not need. It is already market oriented. The course should be replaced with market oriented course. No, I strongly disagree, because it is already market oriented. The course is totally theoretical. It should have both theory and practical aspects. I am not going to give my opinion. Yes, there should be some weightage for practical course. Now, qualitative feedback. What should be done to improve student course evaluation process for your course? So it should be done before final term exam. Each item should be explained to students. This is my viewpoint. what suggestions do you want to give about breakup of session of work assessment? It is okay, I think. What do you want to suggest about time duration of mid and final term exams? Midterm exam duration should be 2 hours and final term exam should be 3 hours. In presently, our university, our college follows 1 hour for midterm and 2 hours for final term. So 1 hour is not sufficient time because students are rushing, attempting short and long questions. So why they should be penalized? So time duration should be increased. What are your recommendations about format of question paper? If this format does not measure students' true learning, what action should be taken? I designed my paper using Bloom taxonomy. Negative marking should be introduced so that students may not add irrelevant information. In short answers, I have noticed that students provide a lot of information. So they should be penalized. There should be some negative marking. This is my suggestion, so that every student should be guided not to insert irrelevant stuff or more stuff then. Which course topics do you want to be eliminated? Subheadings of the topic of neurolinguistics should be provided in the course breakup by the university. Neurolinguistics is one of the topics on this course, so some subheadings should be provided so that teacher may expand it. What new topics can be added to the prescribed course content? No need. Which other course? It is already market oriented. So name of the teacher and date. So this form should be printed on one A4 page, both sides, filled up and then returned to PTM. A copy of this should be given to PTM or focal person or HOD. The original form should be inserted in course file. Okay, and PTM should generate a consolidated report to be sent to the focal person, and focal person will gather all the reports and he or she will send these reports to the university. So this is not faculty course review report. It is a faculty course review form, that is data collection form. Now let me show you the original performer, which this is a revised performer, or you can say customized form, which I have designed myself. So let me show quickly the original form. Okay, so this is the actual form which is in the QAP manual. So I have made few changes into it. As you can see here, it was mentioned postgraduate and undergraduate. So in colleges we are running BS program, that is undergraduate program, or associate degree program. So I have amended this one. Then these were open questions. So teachers are usually reluctant to write their feedback, like please comment on student course selection process for your course. So I have turned this form into quantitative form. External examiner or moderators. So this question was not clear to me, so I have removed it. And if there is any student staff consultative committee, then I have converted it into a close-ended question. Curriculum, that is course contents. So let me go to assessment methods. Again, it was an open question. Then we have enhancement. Enhancement means that whether your earlier recommendations or suggestions, have they been made part of the course or university or board of studies, have they introduced any changes? So this is known as enhancement. So like comment on the implementation of changes proposed in earlier faculty course review reports. Outline any changes in the future delivery or structure of the course that this lesser terms experience may prompt. So again, it's an open question. Please comment any other changes, etc. So this was the original form, as you can see. So this has been replaced with this amended form. I have provided this sample, as you can see. So all the statements, open statements, they have been converted into close-ended questionnaire, because it will be easy later on for the PTM or focal person to generate an analysis report. And if you want to know which changes the teacher wants, so I have also added qualitative feedback, that is open-ended questions. Like if some teacher says that course is lengthy, or like here course content do not match with course objectives, as you can see are here. So like course contents need major revision. If I say they need major revision, so I should mention here which revisions there should be. So this is a data collection form. So in the next video, inshallah, I will tell how to generate a report for faculty course review form. Thank you very much.